Hey guys, so today is Sunday, January 11th, 2026. And make sure to leave a like, comments, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you like my video or if you don't like my video, let me know what the comments below. And subscribe to my channel viewers. And also, if you like it or share this video, the more videos coming up and ready to begin. Alright guys, today is Mega Marble Run Pit with part 1 with light blue. Here we go. Alright, let's begin. Alright, here we have our parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's the end. If you go there, there's nothing in here. Oh, that's 11. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Start 11. Here we go. Let's start the light blue. Oh man, I should go back. Should I go back? I think so. Sorry. Here we go. Oh. This is not gonna work. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Look at me, guys. I'm having fun at the Mega Marble Run Pit. Ooh. Yeah, I dive in. Now we're in this hole. Alright. Let's go. Here we go. Yes. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Alright. We have to make it to the glass world. Come on. Make it to the glass world. I saw the guy made it. Oh, I see it. No, that was so close. How everyone has made it, not me. Oh, yeah, I made it. Alright. Next thing, tomorrow is gonna be the hard one. It's gonna be yellow. In the Mega Marble Run Pit tomorrow with part 2. Alright, guys. We played the Mega Marble Run Pit with part 1 with the light blue. But it's so cool. But guys, if you subscribe in the next 10 seconds, what will be you guys subscribe. Subscribe in the next 8 seconds so we can hit 200 subscribers. Get out the way, will ya? Alright guys, have you subscribed yet so we can hit 200 subscribers? Did anybody subscribe on Kevin's channel, everyone? So we can hit 200 subscribers. Let me go see. We still need 50 subscribers. We have still 147 subscribers on Kevin's channel still. So about to end this video, guys. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comments, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on post notifications. If you like my video or if you don't like my video, let me know what the comments below. And make sure to down below the descriptions or share this video. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys and peace out guys, and see you guys later guys tomorrow guys for now.